Hey friends, so at last now we are discussing about brokerage. So who is a stockbroker? So it is kind of a middleman who mediates your transactions from the exchange. ठीक है? So what happens? These are the middlemen who are in charge of taking your money and buying shares on your behalf from the exchange and transferring these shares to your depository, which is in NSDL and CSDL, which I have already told in my other video on demat accounts. Yeah, right. And they want when we want to sell shares, then we give instruction to the broker and a kind of authority either through POA or a DIS slip. Again, it has been covered in the demat account video, and the broker sells the share on our behalf, and the money is goes into our trading account, right? So this is what the job of a broker is. So can we invest in stock market without broker, without giving brokerage? So the simple answer is you can't invest without a broker, right? Okay. Then there are two kind of brokers. The one is discounted brokers, and other are full stack brokers. So what these discounted brokers do is that for delivery trades, right? For normal trades, for buying and selling shares, these don't charge a brokerage like Zerodha और अपस्टॉक्स. आजकल काफी ऐड देखा होगा आपने, अपस्टॉक्स का आ रहा है आजकल. तो जीरोधा और अपस्टॉक्स एंड फुल स्टैक ब्रोकर्स, दे चार्ज ब्रोकरेज ऑन ऑल काइंड ऑफ ट्रेड्स, राइट? तो आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि हाउ डज देन डिस्काउंटेड ब्रोकर्स अर्न मनी? दे ओनली रिलाई ऑन इंट्राडे ट्रेड्स. इंट्राडे ट्रेड से मेरा मतलब है कि जो एक ही दिन के अंदर अंदर होती हैं, मतलब द ट्रेड्स दैट ऑकर ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर डे, राइट? Suppose you sell shares in the morning and buy in the evening, or you buy in the morning and sell in the evening. Yeah, that's the tricky part. You can even sell before you buying. We will discuss that afterwards, right? So, for example, ICICI Direct or Oswal, Motilal Oswal, right? Or I have Angel, right? Lot of full stack broker are there. So now comes the part that you have to be careful about, right? You have to be careful that your broker shouldn't be your advisor, because there is a huge conflict of interest, right? बड़ा ही पावरफुल शब्द बोल दिया मैंने. तो एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपेंस इज ब्रोकर्स अर्न मनी ओनली व्हेन यू ट्रेड, राइट? Only when there is a transaction. So if you are long term investor, right, then you won't be making much trades, right? So in such a scenario, brokers will try to intimidate you. I am not saying they will, but it is generally the case that उनकी तरफ से गलत बात भी नहीं है ना. दे विल ट्राई टू इंटिमिडेट यू, राइट? दे विल गिव यू अनटाइमली, और they will push you to trade, and they will tell you that you can make more money by so and so, by making investment in so and so shares and then trading it, right? They want you to constantly trade in the market, because then only they are gonna earn more money, right? Suppose they have invested a lot to convince you to start investing in the stock market. Then if you are only making a trade once in a 6 months, once in a year, then they will not make much out of your trades, right? So they want you to keep trading constantly. So they will give you various kind of advices that such and such share will go up and whatnot, right? So just be careful that the broker should not be your advisor, right? So that's what you need to be careful about, and I think it's pretty much okay, right? And one more thing, that whenever you decide a broker, then you must uh, मतलब you must bargain also, right? They may decrease their commission, right? So because you have to be careful, otherwise they can charge you very high brokerage, right? So that's all, right? Thank you very much. Or if you like my videos, please like the video and subscribe and share to all. So, right, we can spread knowledge about stock market.